You never need to wait in line again or worry about carrying cash. Simply purchase your ticket on your phone anytime, anywhere. To purchase a ticket, choose the type of ticket you want to purchase. Select your payment method, fill in your card details, and hit submit. It's that easy. You now have a ticket. Go to your ticket wallet and select the ticket you want to use. Remember to activate your ticket before boarding. Simple to use and difficult to lose. Download the free app from the App Store or Google Play today.